Now let's go ahead and do this last problem here. This is a mixture problem. Here a hospital we need a total of 80 liters of 12% solution. This solution is to be prepared from a 33% solution and a 5% solution. So this is going to be a mixture problem. In our storage cabinet, we have one solution that's too weak, and then we have one solution that's too strong, and we're going to mix them together to come up with our desired solution. All right, so we want 80 liters of a 12% solution. We're not going to write 12%, we're going to write 0.12. And how much do we need? 80 in total. When these two are added together, we'll have 80. All right, the one that's too weak, 5% solution, we're going to change to the decimal 0.05. And then the one that's too strong is a 33% solution. So we have one that's too weak, one that's too strong. When you add them together, you're going to get a potency that's between these two. But how much, what was the question was, how many liters of each? All right, well, I don't know how many of the 5%. But I do know that if the total adds up to 80, the 33% is going to be 80 minus x. So if this is 10, this will be 80 minus 10 or 70. 10 plus 70 is 80. If this is 30, this one's going to be 50 because 80 plus 50 is going to 30 plus 50 is going to equal 80. So now we create an equation. We multiply 0.05x plus a 33% solution, 80 minus x, is going to equal a 12% solution of 80 liters, and we solve for x. Once we get x, we'll know how much of the 5%. All right, I'm going to distribute the 0.33. 0.33 times 80 is 2640. I'm going to distribute the 0.33 to negative x, so that's minus 0.33x. And now 0.12 times 80 is 9.6. These two terms have an x. This one doesn't. So let's subtract 2640 from both sides. So I'm left with just my x's here. 0.05x, that's going to cancel, minus 0.33x. Bring down your equal sign. And 9.6 minus 26.4 is negative 16.8. Don't worry about the negatives. It will all work out. Positive 0.05 minus 0.33 is negative 0.28x equals negative 16.8. And now if I want to get x by itself, I'm going to divide by negative 0.28. Divide both sides by negative 0.28. And x is going to equal 60. So this is going to be 60 liters of the 5% solution. So how many of the 33% solution? What is 80 minus 60? That's going to leave me 20 liters of the 33% solution. And that's my solution.